these two racers. Who knew they would become the most rival drivers in history? This racer was in a specialty car. No other one like it and no name for it. He was considered the best of the best. This racer wasn't as good as the other. He was only in a standard car called a cruiser. But he was the best driver in his class. So, who knows who will win? The cards are at the starting point. No one knows who will win. The race will start in 3, 2, 1. The racers crash together, damaging the cruiser, but not damaging the specialty vehicle.